The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has organized a special memorial program in honor of the former head of state, General Murtala Mohammed, who was assassinated on the 13th of February 1976. The program, which was held at the School of Social and Management Sciences on Monday, 13th of February 2023, was attended by the student and staff members. In his welcome address, the Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, said the program, which was the first of its kind, was organized to recognize and remind the people, particularly students of the university, the true virtues of leadership that the late Murtala Mohammed stood for. He noted that the students and the youth in general stand to gain a lot on the style of his good leadership and patriotism when he was the head of state. Dr. Garba also said the idea behind the program was to raise awareness, celebrate and promote the ideals which the late head of state, General Murtala, stood and died for. During the event, memorial presentations were made by students in honor of the fallen hero, including his brief biography, which was presented by Hafsa Salisu.
On January 26, 1952, Murtala Mohammed became the 941 student admitted to the famous Barewa College, Zaria, and graduated 5 years later in 1957. Obtaining his senior secondary school certificate, his predecessor, General Yakubu Gowon, was his senior in the same school. In 1958, he was admitted to the Regular Officers Special Training School, Ghana, where he was taught along with Benjamin Maja Adekunle, the Black Scorpion, by Wallard, an Oxford University educated officer.
Similarly, presentations were also made on his achievements, memorable speech and quotations, details on how he was assassinated, coup broadcast after his assassination by Lieutenant Colonel Bukar Suka Dimka, as well as poetry presentations. In his closing remarks, the Director, Institute of Africa Higher Education, Research and Innovation, AHERI, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, commended the organizers for reminding students and other staff members the legacies of the head of state. The various presentations must have rekindled the memories of this great man, late General Murtala Mohammed, who sacrificed his life for the country, he said. According to him, it was the late General Murtala Mohammed who introduced or started the slogan "Fellow Nigerians," which connotes comradeship. Professor Sadiq Haruna, who spoke at length on the late Murtala Mohammed's leadership qualities, said he was a true leader of Nigeria, as he was the first head of state to announce the takeover of the state universities by the federal government because of the concern he had for education. He is one of the celebrated leaders in the country who died at the youthful age of 37. We hope our leaders will emulate him, he said. He called on the university management to continue to organize similar programs with a view to reminding future generations some of the leadership qualities of our fallen heroes. He listed some of the achievements of the late head of state, like the creation of additional 7 states from 12 to 19 and the conception of the proposal of the movement of federal capital from Lagos to Abuja, among several others. Among other top management staff that graced the occasion include Engineer Bashir Mohammed Garba, AG Dean of School of Nursing Science, Dr. Umar Lawal Bello, the University Visiting Librarian, Dr. Okasha Haruna Musa, and the Chair Physiotherapy, Dr. Nazir Bashir Mukhtar, among others.